Hi and welcome to this how-to about installing Ubuntu Desktop 20.04. Insert the boot media and restart your computer.
Hit space. Choose the language. This is a trick you can do if you have a graphical problem. There is a less complicated installer here. In our case, you simply let the installation boot up as normal. If you really have severe graphical problem and this trick don't work for you, I recommend it to use Net Installer, which have a non-graphical installer. Here, choose the language, try Ubuntu, install Ubuntu. Choose the keyboard by starting with the language for your country. And here the different variants which are available in your country. This is setting you can play around with if you have a problem. Normal installation and minimum. Downloading updates are in most cases a good idea. Third-party software can cause a problem, but can also solve problem. So simply try it out and see what works best for you. Here you have a couple of choices. Here you can choose LVM and encryption and Z file system. Something else is manually. That means that you set up the file system yourself. That are useful if you have more than one hard drive. For example, one SSD for the system and one big mechanical hard drive for the user file. But if you only have one hard drive, you can simply go for the top choice and no advanced feature. Before the installation can start, you need to write the changes to the hard drive. Notice that these changes are destructive. That means that data which are on the hard drive will be destroyed. So should the data be saved, you need to move that data to another hard drive before you continue. Choose the time zone by clicking on the map. Time to create the first user. This user will also be able to escalate his or her account to root because they are administrator, as they called it in the desktop version. Here, fill in the user's full name. This will be used by email program, for example. Give the computer a useful name. It's good practice to have the same username on several systems. That make your life more easy. And choose a good password. Time to restart the computer. Remove the installation media and press Enter.
That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Simutrans is an open source transport simulator game. You can transporting cargo, passenger and mail on land, sea and in the air. Thank you for your time.